Hi everybody, this is Miss Pepple. I am a teacher with Career X, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a reading comprehension cootie catcher. And you might have seen these before, or maybe you have made one before. It's like this. This is a finished one. And what we're going to be doing is putting in comprehension questions that you can ask yourself or your family members, or you can ask each other after you read a book together, or if you read a book by yourself, you can use this to help you understand the story better. So let's get started. You're going to need a piece of paper. It can be lined, it can be colored paper, it can be blank paper like this, it doesn't really matter. You need a writing utensil and a pair of scissors. That's it. So here's your piece of paper. You're going to take the bottom edge, or any edge, the top or bottom edge, and you're going to fold it over like so, and then fold along the crease. So it looks like this. It kind of looks like a triangle at this point. This piece right here, we don't need that, so we're going to cut it off. So just follow along the edge carefully. If you need help with cutting, maybe your sibling or a parent at home can help you with that. If not, just do it yourself. All right, so here is your triangle. It's a big triangle. I'm gonna fold it in half and make a smaller triangle like this. And fold across. Awesome. Go ahead and open up that triangle. So it is a big square, but it has 4 smaller triangles inside of it. What you're going to do is take one of the edges, and we're going to fold this at the tip of this, or the point of this paper, I guess, and you're going to fold it all the way into the center of the square, like so. And the creases should line up pretty evenly. Do that for all 4 corners. One thing you should try to do, or make sure of when you're doing this, is don't overlap these edges, because that will make it harder to play the game. Okay, I'm gonna fold this edge in and this edge in last. Awesome. So it looks like this. Now, you're gonna take your square, flip it over, and you will see 4 smaller squares. You're going to make this a diamond because it's easier. Take this point of the paper and you're going to fold it into the center again. Just try to make sure that you're not going to be folding over or overlapping any of the edges, like right here, because that will make it hard to play the game. Good job. And fold like so. Nice. So it should look like this. You're going to take your square and just fold it in, fold all the pieces in, like that, and then fold along that crease or that edge. Great. Now when you hold it up, you're going to put your finger and your thumb in these little folds like so. And there you have it. And then you can do your game 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or however many pieces we are. I think there's 8. Okay, so now take your cootie catcher and kind of fold it like this, or place it like this. We're going to put all of our numbers on there that you're going to be using to count when you play this game. So there's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, open it up and you will see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little triangles. What you need to do first though is take your scissors and cut, there we go, cut all the way till you get to this point. So you're just cutting the flaps, okay? Don't cut all the way into the inside, you're just cutting this little triangle piece right here. Because we're gonna have 8 different questions that we're going to be writing down. Okay. There we go. So now, a lot of folding. Okay, now, do it. You will be able to open up one of the pieces like this, and we're going to write our question on the inside. Go ahead and open it up on the inside and like this, and we're just going to write the numbers 1 through 8 all the way around, okay? And they can be random if you want, like 1, 2, 3. I'm left-handed, so it's hard for you to see. Sorry about that. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah. All right, so take one of these flaps, any one you want, and when you open it up, see how there's a triangle right here? That's where we're going to write our question. I'm gonna try to make this, you can see better. Hold on one sec. Maybe that's easier. There we go. So for this one here, I'm gonna write down, where is the setting? Or where does the story take place? When you're coming up with questions, you might want to use your 5 W's and H, which is who, what, when, where, why, and how. That will help you come up with your questions. Let's do another one together. How about who? Who is the main character? Who is the main character? Do you see how I used who this time? In my other question, I used where, who, what, when, where, why. Let's do one more. And then you will finish this on your own. I'm just showing you how to get started. How about what? What was your favorite part of the book? Sometimes when I read stories, there are too many favorites for me to choose. So you could do more than one if you want. What was your favorite part, or what were your many favorite parts of the book? What was your favorite part of the story? Great. Okay, so that is how you make a cootie catcher. I'm going to be doing another video where I'm going to read a story, one of my favorite stories, to you, and we're actually going to use this cootie catcher to do some comprehension questions together. All right, I hope you had fun. This is actually a form of origami, which is a Japanese folding style. So that's pretty cool. So you did origami and reading comprehension questions all at once. So have a wonderful day. I hope you had fun, and I will see you in my next video where we are going to be reading a story together.